I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles. Even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about 1 liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half, add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer. Add toothpaste to salt. Let me show you what happens when you mix these two ingredients. The result of this combination is brilliant and will definitely surprise you. When my grandmother told me about it, I didn't expect it to work so well. I'm sure you have the products needed for this trick at home. First, take some table salt and put 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Then, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. The next ingredient, which makes the mixture even better, is dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to form a uniform paste. This mixture has incredible cleaning power, and it has stopped me from buying expensive detergents. You can use it to clean your entire sink and faucet, just like I do. Our mixture removes all limescale, thoroughly disinfects surfaces, and leaves a great shine. After applying, wait a few minutes and rinse everything with water. Look at the result. It's fantastic. I hope you'll start using this trick too. Throw your old tights in the trash. You'll never have to clean it again. I'll show you how simple this trick is and how much you need it. Grab your bin and check if the trash bag fits properly. In general, bags don't stay in place after throwing in the trash. They slip to the bottom, creating a mess with leftover food. To fix this, all you need is a simple knee-high stocking or a pair of old tights. They can be tights that you no longer wear. Take one of these items. First, cut off the top part of the knee-high stocking. Then, make a vertical cut above the toes. Now, you can stretch it out like a large rubber band. Now, take your bin and the trash bag. Place the bag in the bin. Around the opening of the bag, put the stocking. This way, you'll keep the bag in place. This trick prevents the trash bag from slipping. Taking out the trash has never been so easy, thanks to a simple pair of knee-high stockings. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it, and you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then, pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before.